welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make classic hummus. I'm a huge hummus fan. I love it. It's one of my favorite snacks. I pretty much make it every other week. And the only reason I make it every other week is because I know if I make it every week, I'll eventually get tired of it, and I don't want to get tired of it because it's the easiest snacks to make that you can keep in the fridge, and it's just really healthy. Very, very good. And it's the easiest to make at home.
To make your classic hummus, you're going to need some chickpeas. I'm going to talk about it in just a second. You're going to need some extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need some cold water, tahini, cumin powder, some lemon juice, salt, garlic. You're also going to need some baking soda, and that is to cook the chickpeas with. I always say there's two ways to make hummus, and that depends on how busy or how quick you want to make your hummus. So the first way of making your hummus is pretty much grabbing all of these ingredients minus the baking soda, of course, and just throwing it into the blender or the food processor, and you're done. That will result in a delicious hummus, but it's not going to be really creamy and luxurious. It's going to be a little bit on the chunkier side. And it's still, like I said, it's still gonna be creamy, it's still gonna taste great, but it's not gonna be the best hummus. In order to achieve the perfect hummus, what you wanna do is cook your chickpeas with a little bit of baking soda. I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a second. I already cooked my chickpeas. This way the chickpeas are gonna be kind of mushy and soft, and it's going to make your hummus very, very creamy. It takes about 20 minutes to boil the chickpeas until they're nice and mushy, so obviously it takes a little more time.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do with the chickpeas. We're gonna turn on the stove to medium high. I added about 3 cups of water, and I'm going to add my chickpeas to the pot. You wanna make sure that they are drained. To the water, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to cover it. Cook this for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, and this is how my chickpeas look like. First, I'm going to rinse the chickpeas.
Okay, so I'm going to be making my hummus in my food processor today. I've also made it in my blender. It will work better if you have like a high-speed blender. Like I said, today I'm using my food processor just because I haven't used it in a while. I feel like using it. All I'm gonna do is add my chickpeas. I'm also going to add my tahini. Make sure you don't skimp for your tahini, because that will help your hummus get nice and really extra creamy and delicious. A little bit of cumin powder. We're going to add our garlic right in there. We're also going to add our lemon juice. I like to either add 1 big lemon like this one, or you can add 2 little lemons. We add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and you're also going to need your salt. I am going to blend this on high speed for about 2 minutes. So as my hummus blends, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cold water. I want to make sure that everything is getting nice and incorporated, so I'm going to go around with a spoon just to kind of mix everything in. I'm going to mix it a little bit more. It's almost there. Okay, so this should be done. It took about 2 minutes total, and I want to show you just how creamy this hummus is. It's literally pure perfection. I have my little, I call this my hummus plate because this is where I always serve my hummus. So I'm just gonna scoop everything out. I'm gonna get every last bit of it out because nothing here is going to waste. So now I just make it look kind of nice, and I like to, with my spoon, just make this deeper little crevices, if you will, around, because I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right on top. I like to add some pine nuts in mine right in the middle. And I also like to add a little bit of fresh parsley. And last but not least, some paprika. And this is how our hummus looks like. Now we're gonna go and do a little taste test. I'm getting it from right here in the corner because I want to take a really pretty picture of my hummus and I don't want to ruin it. In my personal opinion, I think this tastes way better than store-bought hummus. It's really nice and creamy. It's just deliciousness. What I love about making things my own way is that if you want to add a little more lemon juice to yours, add a little more lemon juice. If you find that it needs more cumin, add more cumin. So yummy. It's the perfect appetizer. You just put it out there with some potato chips and everyone's gonna go wild for it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember, the written recipes on my website, anitasrecipes.com. You can also find the link directly in my description box. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.